What's up, Team 316? The snack of the day for my two baby puppy. Look how cute they are, huh? Say hi to Gizmo. This is Gizmo. Hi, Gizmo. Say hi. So cute. And this is my big gringo. I'm gonna go. What's up? They talk you. The big talker. I didn't say it. What? That's right. I want you snacky. Yeah? That's it. So people can talk. Yeah? Yeah. I wish he would do something like that, but him, he do like more like play dead, or, you know, you'll step just on 2 feet. He's not doing it right now. Make him move up like this. Look at him go. There you go. No wonder snacky. You're the cutest puppy in the world. Yeah, you are. Tell people, subscribe to the channel. I can go. Where you going? They're here. They're in my hand. They're not down there. That's right, you want it. But I'm filming your butt. Yeah. I want to show people out there how cute you are. Ho, 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 ho. Alright, we'll give them their snack. And give them one each. Yes, take some time to wash your fingers. Hey, Mo. Here you go. Yeah, look at this. My son's down there in his room, and my room. So I'll come for the second one. It won't take that long. These are duck tender. These, if you got dogs, oh man, my dog go crazy on these things. They sell that at Walmart. They got different kind of bags, but it's called duck tender. You know, this is the favorite snack. Alright, one more. I wait for the little one. We have to wait for the little one. Where's Gizmo? Gizmo want his other snack? Oh, hey. You want the snack? I am him. You'll eat, man. Look at this. Look at him, man. Oh my God. Do it again. Him is like, he's 8-year-old, turning 9. And this one's turning 2. Alright. Let's see. Alright. Gizmo. Oh, he's on. There you go. You'll eat it right there. You don't want your finger in there when they chew these things. Any dog. After I give these things to them, you don't want to try to take it away. You can hear them chew this, man. He's already done that. Alright. Thank you for watching, people. And give me a thumbs up. You have a great day. From Team 316. I'm out.